Let's dive into division with 64 divided by 2. The super math stars. Didn't forget to smash that look button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's get started. We're dividing 64 by 2. First, we look at the first divot of 64, which is 6. We bring down the 6 to start our division. How many times does 2 fit into 6? Let's count by 2's 2, 4, 6. That's 3 times. Now let's multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. We subtract 6 from 6, which leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. You're doing amazing. We're already on our way to the answer. Now let's bring down the next divot, which is 4 to den the 0. Great job with the first step. Now we have 4. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 4. We're using the 4 we brought down. How many times does 2 get into 4? Think of your 2 times tables, 2, 4, it's 2 times. Let's check our work. 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract 4 from 4 and we get 0. Perfect. Woohoo, you're a math superstar. We're all done with the division. We've successfully divided 64 by 2. The answer is 32. Says 64 divided by 2 equals 32. Great job, everyone. We thus learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, even tricky problems become easy with practice. You've got this. That's all for today. Keep practicing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.